Today we're making banana bread. This is my best recipe for this banana bread. It's the one I make all the time and it turns out perfectly. First, I've got 2 bananas and they're overripe bananas, but they're not brown. I just want to mash them up, be a complete puree. While we add everything else in, it'll mix together. To that, I want to add in my brown sugar, 2 eggs, my milk, and whisk it all together. This is where we can start to beat in that banana a little bit more to take out some of the lumps. But again, it doesn't have to be completely smooth. To that, I want to add in my butter. Melted butter is best, and my flour. Whisk it all together till it's beautifully and smooth. At this point, if there's any little lumps of banana left, just beat it down with the whisk to break them up. With our tin, give it a good spray with some oil and simply just pour in our batter. Scraping it all out of that bowl so you don't waste any. And that's it. Into the oven for 1 hour at 180 Celsius. So there you have it. After 1 hour, take it out, let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the tin and it can be eaten just as it is, with just some butter, or you can toast it up. Either way, this is going to be the best banana bread you'll ever have.